How to fix Snapchat, try again later on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat, try again later on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again and here type Snapchat and click on it. And here first thing you need to do is to click force stop, and that's it. Then go to storage, click clear cache, and then go to this one here, data usage. Maybe you will find it mobile data, you will find it like that. Just allow it, and allow Wi-Fi, allow all of those here. You will find all of those here, and then that's it. Just go back and try again, restart your phone and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.